Finance is a field lush with great earning potential and rewarding career options in a wide range of industries. The field has seen large growth despite the recent economic downturn, so it's a little more guaranteed than other fields. There are many reasons why studying finance is a smart choice for potential students, but I've compiled a list of the most pertinent reasons to help you decide which program of study is right for you. These reasons touch on areas that are going to emphasize perks for the career-driven individual who is looking to implement exciting changes to their life in beneficial ways. There are multiple undergraduate degrees that fall under the category of finance. Many of these degrees have similar foundational business courses in areas like accounting, business law, management, and economics. Whether they differ is in their major courses, which allow for additional specialization within the field of finance. These are 3 of the leading bachelor's degrees in the finance field. The BS, which stands for Bachelor of Sciences in Financial Planning. A degree in financial planning prepares you to help individuals and small businesses manage their assets and plan for their financial future. Professionals with a financial planning degree usually become personal financial planners who either holistically manage finances or specialize in an area like investment strategy, estate planning, retirement savings, healthcare planning, or income planning. BS in Financial Management. A degree in financial management prepares you to analyze the financial health of financial institutions and businesses, helping them improve financial performance and increase profitability. Professionals with a financial management degree focus in areas like financial analysis and forecasting, portfolio management, cash management, international finance, and risk management. BS in Accounting. A degree in accounting focuses on the accountability side of finance, teaching you the ins and outs of financial reporting, as well as taxation, auditing, and financial management. This degree prepares you to become a CPA, which can work in any number of settings from corporate to government and private practice. Accounting is a more difficult subject to master than finance. Accounting is more involved, with strict sets of arithmetic rules governing it. Finance requires an understanding of economics as well as some accounting. However, it does depend on your interests and skills. Knowing which career path is right for you is critical in getting the full value of a finance degree. If you want to focus your career on increasing the financial health of individuals, companies, or financial institutions, a degree in financial planning or management can prepare you for success. Finance is a high-stakes industry. Individuals and corporations won't trust their financial future to just anyone. That's why getting a finance degree is extremely valuable. Here are 10 real benefits of getting your finance degree. Number 1. Master skills that prepare you for real-world job responsibilities. Unlike more general degrees, like business administration, finance teaches you in-demand skills in areas including data analytics, risk management, capital allocation, and investment strategy. Through coursework, you'll also gain much-needed soft skills like collaboration, verbal and written communication, and adaptability. 2. Work for a wide range of employers. A minimum of a bachelor's degree is required for nearly all finance professions. Whether you want to work on Wall Street, for the SEC, or a financial planning consultancy, a finance degree will give you the foundational knowledge you need to start your career. 3. Set the stage for getting professional certifications. Most financial professionals get at least one professional certification. For financial planners, the most common is the Certified Financial Planner, or the CFP, which sets high ethical and skills standards for these professionals. Financial management professionals may choose to pursue a specialty area of expertise, like the Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA, or the Financial Risk Manager, FRM, certification. The right finance degree program will focus on topics that prepare you to pass these types of certifications. 4. Set yourself up for a financially rewarding career. In 2019, the National Association of Colleges and Employers, NACE, reported that the average starting salary for finance majors was $58,464, while management, director, and executive positions easily surpass 6 figures. 5. Join a popular industry that expects stable growth. According to the BLS, employment of all business and financial operations occupations is projected to grow 7% by 2028, faster than the average for all occupations, adding about 591,800 new jobs. 6. If you're interested in a business career, then you have an array of college degree options such as business, accounting, or management. One great reason to become a finance major is because of its more narrow focus, but it still allows you to explore a field that is dense with job opportunities. A finance degree allows you to work with the decision makers of outside organizations. Examples of these organizations include banks, government agencies, stockholders, suppliers, businesses, and more. Being able to distinguish yourself with a finance degree will help you when searching for jobs, especially from a large number of business majors, as a finance degree is harder to attain. It's guaranteed to set you apart. 7. Anyone can get a business degree or do accounting, but in order to be in a finance career, you must be outgoing and inquisitive. Though you'll need to be good at mathematics, you also must be good at talking with people and making friendly conversation on a variety of subjects. Therefore, education, intelligence, and personality are all taken into account for finance jobs. Additionally, you must be diplomatic and consider your organization or client's goals, resources, and options when discussing their options for financial growth and well-being. 8. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, due to a growing range of financial products and the need for in-depth knowledge of geographic regions, finance positions are growing faster than the average for employment in the United States. For example, careers in financial analysis are to grow by 23%, financial management by 14%, and financial advising by 32%. The opportunities will continue to present themselves as the economy continues to recover. As with any major, it's important to keep a focus on what it's like in the job market upon graduation, and it's very fortunate that things look promising for those in this major. 9. As we have already discussed, finance careers are growing. This also means that the variety of career opportunities are growing as well. With a finance degree, you can work in corporate management, international financial management, investment services, financial planning services, personal financial planning for individuals and private organizations, brokerage firms, insurance companies, commercials and investment banks, credit unions and private banks, as well as many other financial intermediary companies, all employ finance graduates. 10. In addition to having a wide range of job opportunities, the jobs that present themselves to you will also be very rewarding from a salary standpoint. Salary information varies from job title and experience, but the following are a few baseline ideas of the average salary you can earn with a finance degree. Personal financial advisors, $64,750. Financial managers, $103,910. Financial analysts, $74,350. Financial examiners, $74,940. The job market has undergone some large changes in the past decade, partly due to different technological innovations and partly because of the economy. Finance majors are placed into a very fortunate position that keeps options available to continue to grow unhindered from many circumstances that have impacted others. As the finance industry grows, technology advances and the regulatory space gets more complex. There are a growing variety of finance jobs. Let's look at some of the most promising career paths for finance degree holders. Loan officer. Loan officers assess, authorize, and recommend approval of loan applications for individuals and businesses. They collect and verify all required financial documents and evaluate the information they obtain to determine the applicant's need for a loan and their ability to pay back the loan. Median salary, $63,040, BLS, and Job Outlook 2018 to 2028, 8%. Personal financial advisor. Personal financial advisors help individuals manage their finances and plan for their financial future. They advise and manage everything from investments, insurance and mortgages to college savings, estate plans, and retirement. Median salary, $88,890, BLS. Job Outlook 2018 to 2028, 7%. Financial examiner. Financial examiners ensure financial institutions are in compliance with the laws governing them. They review balance sheets, evaluate the risk level of loans, and assess bank management to make sure risk is properly managed and borrowers are being treated fairly. Median salary, $80,180, BLS. Job Outlook 2018 to 2028, 7%. Financial analyst. Financial analysts evaluate investment opportunities for businesses and individuals, helping assess the performance of stocks, bonds, and other types of investment. They usually specialize in a specific industry, geographical region, or type of product. Median salary, $85,660, BLS. Job Outlook 2018 to 2028, 6%. Financial manager. Financial managers create financial reports, manage investment activities, and develop strategies for the long-term financial goals of their organization. With advances in technology, financial managers now focus most of their time on data analysis to advise management on ways to maximize profits. Median salary, $127,990, BLS. Job Outlook 2018-2028, 16%. Getting your finance degree isn't easy, and it takes time, dedication, and hard work. But getting your degree is only the first step. Here are 3 things you need to know about differentiating yourself from the competition. The best way to learn is by doing. Finance is a meticulous specialty. As you're learning new concepts, make sure you're taking advantage of the latest tools and applying what you learn to real scenarios. Don't lose sight of the big picture. It's easy to get laser focused on passing courses, but part of the finance profession is understanding the world in which financial institutions operate. Stay curious and stay in tune with the news, politics, and global economy that affects business every day. Take your studies into the real world. Join a professional organization, network with other finance professionals, and find a mentor who can show you what it's like to work in finance. The more experience you can gain while pursuing your degree, the easier it will be to jumpstart your career. Yes, finance can be financially rewarding, but if your heart isn't in it, then no paycheck is worth it. Finance is a fantastic career for the right person. Just give it serious thought to ensure it's right for you. Remember, finance is extremely competitive, so you should do everything you can to differentiate yourself. Keeping these things in mind as you complete your degree will help you become a well-rounded professional with job-ready skills. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and feel free to subscribe to stay updated with our future videos. Thanks for watching!